Let me go, babe. Baby, don't.
Where do I want? How do I feel? Like, look, it's so.
I gave up salmon for Lent, and this is what she does.
From what? From JD.
She didn't want salmon, y'all.
So sweet.
And this bitch. Fucking assholes.
My
So you're gonna just eat it in front of me, huh?
was his Tory's guy. It's bomb. And you know how I always complain about how it's overcooked? It's not overcooked today. It really isn't.
Go to hell, bitch.
I'm African American. Literally. It is so good. Like, I've never seen them make salmon this way.
My friend just said, let me be your stepmom because she went to the diner. Usually people do that. Let's see if I
Eat a little faster, bitch. Eat a little faster.
I taste every single flavor. Like, I've never seen salmon this way.
She doesn't even like salmon.
It touched your lips now, you cheated.
It did not touch my lips.
It did.
It did not. We have the footage. Get the fuck away from me. It's so moist. This is the only thing I can do.
Like, it's literally not overcooked. They did a
Oh my god, look at that. Does it hurt? Look at my brows. Ling did good. Ooh. Raining. Good job. About to go to Target. Target vlogs. I don't know why we're in here. Technically, I really don't need anything.
Eat it up while not doing this.
Ooh, maybe I can put some lotion on my face while I'm here. Ooh, they have more hair stuff, hair dyes. I think. Oyenda is like a kid in the candy store right now. Look at this clearance.
This is so cute. I can't.
All these lipsticks, she said. Look at all these. And they're NYX. Oh look, they have, I think this whole thing is NYX.
Yeah. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
This is not a cheap shit.
Is it not? Is it really? On a budget.
Yep.
Let's have dinner.
Get your plates out. Get your plate. Take a plate.
We're having dinner. Thank you.
Yep. Just to the side. We don't
Where's the
break
fork? The
that.
salad fork.
They have no fork here.
Wow, Target, do better.
Drink some tea.
Elizabeth, I think we should buy everything in Target.
Yeah.
Money's not an object.
No, it's not.
How much do you think this plate is?
About 1,000 maybe.
I think we should get 5.
I think so too. We don't do prizes. We don't ask for prizes.
Exactly.
We just buy them.
You're right. I think I want 3 Great Danes. And a French Bulldog, purebred, nothing.
Yeah.
You know.
Nothing but that.
Exactly. Because we deserve the best.
Mm-hmm.
You're actually talking
walking around just looking like, what is this doing?
I know. This is actually funny.
Is that you?
Where do you want to go to next? After all, Target is... I don't even know. Target is our playground. Elizabeth, I want those pillows.
You got them.
Thank you. And tell Jeffrey to throw them in the cart. Subscribe.
We did just sat down like
And that's what you do on Target.
in the middle of Target.
You charge your phone and eat cookies.
In the middle.
Louder tonight because I think I'm fucking
Hey,
dead.
drunkie.
Bro. Nah, you can't put this on camera.
Okay.
Okay. Ready?
She's saying ready. She's the only one. You're the only one doing it.
Ready only for 2?
Because a bitch needs to make food first and my
Okay.
phone needs to turn on. Okay, go ahead. Woo. She's gonna be sleeping by 9 o'clock, 9:30. The latest.
That works.
Okay,
That
junkie.
works.
Oh, it works?
Yeah, because
Okay.
it takes away the tang.
Right.
Oh, Yenda's looking at you like, bitch, I ain't tried it, so don't.
I literally use this for tea.
Wow. I just need. No, Haley,
I'm supposed to
but
eat that tomorrow, actually. Not tonight. But I can't make it tomorrow either.
Okay, yes, I know.
So I'm just gonna pack it in somewhere.
Alright, this is Ratchet Cooking with Franny. This is about to be ratchet as all hell. First, you add some butter.
My sister is so innocent. Why did I
Only God knows. And then, you know, we got the tilapia, got some seasoned salt, paprika, garlic powder, Old Bay. Because these bitches really don't have seasonings in this bitch. Yeah, y'all really don't. You don't have any, sazon?
No.
Yeah, they don't have any.
You don't need that if you just put the right amount. I don't.
I've never used Old Bay to cook, so I don't know how to.
It's pretty good with seafood.
Y'all, look at this. Look at my master tilapia. Taste it, taste it. This is high cholesterol. How'd it taste?
That was good.
Oh, okay. I did a good job. Is it really?
Yeah.
Nah, I put mad fucking paprika on this shit. Oh well. Look at Haley's drunk ass over there. You look stuck.
I am.
Hey! How's my hair look? It looks fine.
Oh.
I'm not getting everything because it's going to see what we see.
I'm gonna go.
Are you ready?
Bitches be ugly as fuck and then my nigga go right in the lights.
That wasn't bad.
I told you it's not bad.
Oh my god, I just...
Like,
I wasn't thinking about that too. Because I don't roll that way.
I said if you were a guy, would you fuck me?
I haven't thought about it.
Fuck you. You're supposed to say yes.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, I'm about to get again, friends. This is my third shot.
Bitch, slow up.
I can't go above 6.
It's your third? Okay.
Bitch, you're trying to come back to it.
Okay.
Yeah.
That shit went down too smooth.
Okay.
Yeah, that went down way too smooth.
Yeah, no, taste it.
You want some?
No, no, just,
No, it's really.
It went down a
It
little
went
too
down
smooth.
really easily.
I swear, I wouldn't even lie. I wouldn't even lie to you.
Okay, sounds cool.
Haley, no.
I swear to God, one more.
Haley, no.
Can
You
you-
had Twisted Tea in like 3 shots already. Bitch, it's 8:30.
I swear I'm fine.
You have to make it 2 more hours.
I will. Let me just take one more and then I'm fine.
This bitch is like you. Yeah, this bitch is like. I really need to. I don't know who she could be.
That's enough.
Haley, I just want you to know wherever you fall tonight, I'm not picking you up. Because I told your ass.
Both kind of have to.
Alright, I'm good now.
So.
Okay. I'm doing the rice is cold. Oh god. Strawberry cheesecake. I don't even know what the hell it's called. Okay. Ready to taste it? You want to taste this? Start this part first.
You don't like it?
It actually tastes like cheesecake. More than the other one.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm not trying to strawberry yet because I want you to try it.
Did you want me to die? Or maybe it's because I took a bigger bite than when you normally get it. Does it taste more like cheesecake to you? Or is it just me?
No, it's just you.
Okay. Tasting some of the strawberry part with the cream cheese.
Do you like it? Does it taste like straw? Does it say fake? Like fake?
I don't know how to explain it here.
I'm scared. I don't really like.
It tastes like the other one, basically.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, the other one is better because it's salted caramel. Like you can't really go wrong with salted caramel.
You don't like the strawberries? Do you want the pudding part?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't like it at all.
Do you want me to get some chewy caramels? Ghetto ass salted caramel. Y'all, I'm really trying to finish this work before I get into some mischief for the night. And it's like I don't feel like doing it. Like, this was due last week. I still have to edit like 2 vlogs. I have to edit the one from yesterday, all the shit from last week. Yeah. My life's in shambles. Ling Ling low-key messed up my eyebrows.
I don't think she messed it up. I just don't think she did it the way you wanted and be done.
Haley was like one's higher than the other one. I was like,
if
oh shit, no, she actually did
she
it.
had done it thinner, you would have been mad.
No, I don't want them too thin. Does one look higher than the other one?
No, it doesn't look right.
Let me stop listening to Haley.
That didn't even have to go down.
House practice?
Them coming up.
House
Imagine
practice?
if I was already down and they'll come in.
House practice.
Stressful days.
Wow. Oh, the salt's right there. The ghetto lime is right there.
The what?
Ghetto lime. It's tequila. So we're taking tequila shots.
I thought you said the ghetto line.
This is
I'm
ghetto
like,
line. This is not.
No, line, like a line. I'm like, what the fuck do you mean a ghetto line?
Apparently the salt and then lime and then the tequila.
Yeah, but we didn't have no lime, so bitches had to.
It was
Ready?
all I could offer.
Go.
She said it was all. This is bad for anyone.
You were supposed to put the salt on your hand first, but it's fine. No, look at this.